Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Design. So happy you guys are here today. I am doing my first galaxy pour and I'm super happy. I'm just using the Artist Loft Soft Body Black on the base. And again, I'm just using an 8x8 canvas. I'm testing here. I'm using the Pebeo Iridescent, which I absolutely love. And part of my new creative direction with acrylic painting, there's a lot of depth and building layers. And so, I'm starting to introduce myself to glazes and mediums and iridescent paints. And so far, these are my first iridescents, and I absolutely love how vibrant they are. And I do love the color shift in them, which you guys will see later on in the video. I'm really testing these out because they're new and I'm trying to look for some really cool effects. And I thought, you know what, these colors would be perfect for a galaxy pour. So as you can see here, I've done something a little different. Because the spout was a little too wide, I took it off and I thought that I would try blowing this way. Now, everything you're seeing here is intentional. And I thought and felt that if I took the nozzle off and blew really close to the paint, and I've been able to understand the paint that I've been using, that I'd get really cool effects. And you guys will start to see here, while I torch, all the gorgeous lacing and the gorgeous shaped cells that I end up getting. And it absolutely turned out better than what I expected. I was looking for a beautiful galactic pour, but I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I didn't have a specific design. I just knew that's what I was looking for, as well as the effects. And you can see the gorgeous colors coming in, and then some mixed colors. You can see some violet and greens in there, and it's just beautiful. You can see all the layers start to develop. So I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. It's just a super quick video, and I really appreciate you guys coming by. So please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It is free. It really helps the channel, the algorithms of YouTube. So I appreciate it. And so right now is where all the beauty, well, more of the beauty starts to come in. And I'm so excited right now looking at this happening. It's just part of the mystery and fun of fluid art for me, not knowing what is going to happen. And it's stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, guys. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next pour.